Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Everyone deserves a healthy body and a stable mind. But how do you achieve this without a doctor and a therapist? How do you think you can give yourself a full-body professional massage in the comfort of your home or create a healthy cooking environment for your family? Stay till the end of the video to see crazy gadgets you can buy right now to help you achieve all of this at home. Number 14. BioLite Solar Panel 10 Plus. Utilize the sun ray to get smart power for you to charge your gadgets anytime. A BioLite solar panel is a portable solar panel that gets charged up by drawing power from the sun's rays. You can power your tablets, phones, or other devices with the 3200 mAh and 10 watts of usable electricity. An integrated optimal sundial system aligns you to directly capture the sun ray. Number 13. AmmoFit S. This is a solution you need to fight against sleep deprivation, stress, anxiety, and worries. All you need to do is just wear the AmmoFit S as a necklace or attach it to your collar. Then the magic begins in your body. The unique bioelectronic wearable device transmits mild electromagnetic signals to the nervous system to improve your overall body. All the device does is improve sleep, stress, and anxiety by restoring the balance of the autonomic nervous system. And also helps to encourage healthy aging. It also enhances your memory and creativity and uses homeostatic auto-regulation to restore the internal balance of the body. Number 12. Car Hand Sanitizer Dispenser. Looking for a good hand sanitizer dispenser? This is the perfect hand sanitizer dispenser for your car. Besides its functionality, it's compact and fits perfectly in the car cup holder. Yep, it's compatible with all cars and vans. Germs and microorganisms are everywhere, and that's why sanitizing your hands every time should be a top priority with this gadget. You will say goodbye to germs and microorganisms, preventing infection even when you're away from home. As for the size, this thing has a diameter of 7 centimeters and a height of 12.5 centimeters. The silicone rubber is customizable and the dispenser comes refilled with sanitizing gel. Number 11. S-Lite. You can do better by protecting yourself from the strangers who may be involved in a collision if you have to stop because of unexpected problems caused by your car. The S-Lite has a rotating LED display that produces high brightness that can be seen from a distance and allow different messages or signals to be displayed by pressing a button. Your current status can determine the message to be sent. You can select SOS, Help, Warning Triangle, and Arrow set S-Lite, which is fast and very easy, simply attached to a solid magnetic vehicle. Please take a few seconds to make a video session and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Number 10. An airless vehicle wheels. Here's another car accessory that will make you feel safe and secure when you're on the road. Well, this wheel is rechargeable, sustainable, and airless. This airless vehicle wheel is built with high-tech materials that this unique feature significantly reduces waste and the use of raw materials. This wheel is nothing like what you used to know. It's a revolution from conventional wheels that easily get punctured, leading to air loss, failures, and waste of tires. Number 9. The Jabra DRIVE in-car speakerphone. If you must answer calls while driving, you need to get this car accessory. It is designed with easy-to-use intuitive buttons and technology that operates through the spoken updates and voice-guided instructions. You can even stream your favorite music with GPS applications. This gadget offers a safe and hands-free way of answering calls with the noise cancellation feature. If you're on the road, Jabra DRIVE filters the noise, giving you a clear phone conversation. Number 8. Mirror Dash Cam. Say goodbye to inevitable accidents with this mirror dash cam. Unlike conventional rear view mirrors, this mirror provides a clearer and wider field of view. Thanks to its 1080p dual lens, it also features a touchscreen technology that allows you to toggle between real-time front and rear camera footage. No matter the time of day, this mirror dash cam has got you covered. Number 7. OptiShokz sunglasses. Keeping your ears open to the environment is key when cycling, or else you need to be aware of your surroundings. But music is a healthy lifestyle, so if you like to listen to music podcasts or audiobooks when you run, Alone Revis sunglasses from Opti transmit sounds by plugging speakers out of your ear instead of a normal earbud or a full ear speaker for running audio by using your eardrum. The wearer can hear what is being transmitted from his phone and the sound from the track or street. Therefore, you know more about your environment and thus safer. Number 6. Oura Ring. There is no better time for wearable technology to shine the coronavirus era. We are all concerned about our well-being, so portable computers with tiny sensors that provide insight into our health seem to be especially helpful. One such gadget, which stands out as an impressive third-generation Oura Ring, was launched last November. It is a small 300-piece health monitor worn on the finger as if it were jewelry. The Ring, according to Oura Health, offers a unique ability to measure small changes in body temperature to help a woman accurately predict their menstrual cycles. Number 5. Disim Lighter. For many people who have always had trouble using their light, a new solution has come to the market. This new way of lighting changes the game. Disim Lighter has a unique design that allows its users to use the light from both the normal area up and down the most difficult surface. Before this invention, many people had a burning sensation that was trying to light a lamp. Looking down, the flames were shooting strangely, hands and fingers burning. With its new design, Disim has created a unique light in the world. It is also designed as a versatile lamp to ensure that you will never need anything else light. Not only is it simple with a real cool design, but also designed for perfection. Number 4. Remarkable 2. Have you ever wished you could write in Kindle, where we are no longer because we are covered it unlike most modern gadgets? RM2 is a fun collaborative tool with the ultimate goal of changing paper stack, and nothing more as real remarkable before it. Using dozens of downloaded controlled grid-based templates, dots, date editor, music crew news boards, or blank and organized folders, writes, note sheets, highlights, books, draws, sketches, etc. Using a variety of digital writing materials, each mimics the look of its IRL versions. Due to RM2's 4,000 plus levels of pressure sensitivity, the pencil leaves an incomplete graphite line, and the calligraphy pattern makes everything you write look pretty easy. All of your notes and drawings can be deleted, rotated, copied, posted, transmitted, and altered by tapping or both. Number 3. Air Hood. With claims to be the world's first portable range hood, the designer states he was driven to create this device because he believes everyone deserves to live in a healthy cooking environment. The air hood was mounted with a strong ventilator that extracts cooking fumes. At the same time, the oil filter extracts greasy particles found in steam, so they won't settle on the surface and reduces the strength of lingering odors around the cooking area. With portability and flexibility in mind, the air hood can be easily moved around the kitchen to a perfect spot, and the users can adjust the height to match that of the cooking water being used. Number 2. Khadas Tea. Tea is a slim high-resolution headphone amplifier and DAC created by Khadas technology to fit discreetly at the back of your iPhone or Android device. The chassis was made with aluminum and anodized with either a black or blue finish to give a dashing look to your phone. Being MagSafe compatible contributes to the versatility of attaching Tea vertically or horizontally to anything with a metal plate. It comes with an internal 1150 mAh lithium polymer battery, which can last for up to 8 hours of continuous playback time. One of its most remarkable features is this very thin profile. The designers state it measures just 7.95 millimeters at its thickest point, making it easily pocketable even after being attached to a smartphone. 2 inbuilt microphones help receive and make Bluetooth calls without the need to remove your headphones. Number 1. Homedics Drift. Homedics is the leading global manufacturer of health and wellness products that help people relax their bodies, loosen up their minds, and promote general well-being. Their recently released product, Drift, is another passive wellness device that allows users to relax whenever they feel overwhelmed and overworked, or looking for a way to slow down and be more productive. Taking a moment to look at Drift has a way of inviting calmness into your mind and makes it easier to find your inner peace. With the intuitive app, you can choose from hundreds of patterns and colors, control the speed and brightness, or pick the perfect playlist that matches your needed energy. Which one of these products stands out for you? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. We will see you in our next video.